Okay, what we're going to do today is we are going to change the washer on this faucet. It's a leaky faucet. Get a little bit of closer look at it there. Pretty simple job. On my wrench here, take a pair of channel locks. You want to start out by opening the stem, turning the faucet handle to the open position. Come down here and take this packing nut, loosen it up. Real simple. Take it loose. When it slides up, it's loose. Just unthread the faucet handle, and there you go. See, that's the problem right there. The washer's gone off of it. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get down here. There, you just get a better view of it. Of course, you always want to turn the water off either at a shut-off valve or at the meter. So what I'm going to do is get a washer ready and get it put on there and get this thing lubricated and put back on. Just hang on just a second and I'll be right back. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. Got a new washer put on there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of this 9% pure silicone grease, waterproof. I'm going to put it on the threads. Let me get it open here. Some on them threads. There we go. You can see it's just some waterproof silicone, and all you do is stick it back down in there, thread it down a couple of turns, back it off, tighten down your packing nut, take your little handy channel locks, just tighten that down a couple of turns. You don't want to over tighten it. It'll make it hard for the handle to turn on and off. Man, that turns so easy. I'm going to give it another partial turn. Hold your faucet so you don't snap off your PVC. A little bit more. Okay, I'm going to turn that off. That concludes our video. Please check back for new videos, and thank you for watching. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.